Hey guys, it's me Stace. I'm back again today with another Cricut to Explore video, and today we are doing our Make It on Monday project, and today we're making this super cute doghouse box. Isn't that adorable? I just go to the computer and we will get started. Alright, at the computer you want to go to design.cricut.com. You will see this screen. Enter in your email and your password. Click on Sign In. On this screen we're going to scroll down until we get to the 3D category. Click on View All. On this page, we're going to scroll down until we find the doghouse box. And just right there, go ahead and click on that. It'll bring up a preview window. Click on Customize. So we have the two parts of the house, the roof and the inside piece. I did not resize these. Upper right-hand corner, go ahead and click on Make It. You'll need one piece for the one half of the house, the other half of the house, and then the roof and the inside piece. I'm going to click on Continue, cut these out with a table, and put our box together. Alright guys, we are back. Everything is cut out, and you can see I did go ahead and stamp mine. I did stamp these two pieces, the roof. I did not stamp this piece, and I also saved the little paw print that cuts out as well. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do, and I used Trixie's Valentine for that, the little paw print right here. Alright, first things first, we're going to go ahead and finger press all these score marks just to get them started. And you'll see there's like a little triangle here. You want to make sure you get that one as well. And we'll go with our bone folder and just give all that a nice crisp edge. Okay, I think I got all the pieces here. All right, do the same for this one. Finger press it first just to get them started. Now if you want to receive the card kit to make this box, you will receive all the pieces here. Just go to my blog, leave me a comment, and I will pick a winner tomorrow. Alright, make sure you get that triangle as well. And I kind of like going both directions with that. Alright, so we have that. Now comes the assembly. Alright, so we have our doghouse here. You want to make sure the triangles are on the same side. Okay, so you can see how this one would go. So I have a flap here and a flap here. My triangle is at the bottom. I'm going to grab some art glitter glue, and I'm going to put some glue on this flap here. And also this flap here. And then just go ahead and butt them right next to each other. And you can see I'm kind of interlocking them. This one's going to go on the bottom, and the other one's going to go on the bottom. Just get them lined up before your glue dries, top to bottom. Okay, I think that's pretty good. I'm going to come in from the inside and just give that a better press there. Okay, so we have that. Now we have the sides. So flip it over. You can fold this one down. Okay, it's going to go like that. So I'm going to put glue on the outside of this flap and the outside of this one. And then just kind of tuck them in. Just like that. Again, make sure you're lined up top to bottom. Give the glue a little bit of rub. You can see it does lay flat. Okay, so I think we're pretty good. I'm just going to come around on this side and just give that a really good squish to make sure all that glue is making contact. Alright, so now this is the bottom of our box. We're going to put these little tabs in. Then these ones you'll also see the interlock. So just kind of go like that. Okay? Alright, bring the box around. I'm going to bring these little flaps down. This piece goes inside the box. Just make sure your box is square. Drop this in right to the corner and then let it fall. And then again, just go in there with your fingers just to press that down. Okay, that finishes off the inside of the box. Okay. Alright, now for the top, we had them triangle pieces. Go ahead and give them a squish and you'll see these meet. Now if you want to glue your entire box together, you can go ahead and glue that or not. I am going to glue this shut. Okay, just bring these over, make sure they're nice and straight and lined up. Okay, oops. Okay, make sure, I'm just going to hold them for a minute. Hopefully that's going to stay. All right, now we have our roof. And there's a slice in the middle. Okay, that slice is going to go through here. Just like that. Now if you didn't want to glue this, you can leave this open and have your roof be not level. See how it's not glued down? This way you're able to access the box, but I think the hole here is big enough to access the treats. So I'm going to glue this down. Make sure I'm down that really well. And I'm just going to put just a light line of glue right there just to hold it down. I like that finished look. Do the same for this side. Okay, all right, now all we have left is to kind of fix your scallops, your roof, that little bone. This would make a really cute gift for a new dog owner or a new puppy owner. You can also make this, have it be completely together, and maybe write the dog's name, the year they got the dog, put a hole punch in it with ribbon, and they can use it as an ornament when they're not, when they're done using it. I think that'd be really fun, like to kind of mark the puppy's first Christmas. All right, there you have it. How cute is that, right? I absolutely love it. All right, so we have that one with the roof stamped. This one without the roof stamp. I do like it better with the roof being stamped. It kind of ties everything together. All right, guys, any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.